Meaning of driftwood.
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 Driftwood. Driftwood refers to wood that has been washed up onto a shore or beach by the force of waves and currents. This wood is often weathered and worn, with a smooth surface and a characteristic shape that has been shaped by the water. Driftwood can come from a variety of sources, including trees that have fallen into rivers or streams or have been swept out to sea by floods or storms. Some people collect driftwood for use in crafts or as a decorative element in their home. Driftwood can also provide habitat for a variety of shore and marine life.